welcome to our channel. My name is Poppy and this is Alina.
Hi everyone, I'm Alina. I'm very glad to be here today. Hey Poppy, what are you gonna draw today?
We are going to draw the kiwi bird today. Do you know the kiwi bird? Have you seen a kiwi bird in the zoo?
Yes, it's so cute. And it's a native land bird.
Yes, that's correct. The kiwi bird is the national icon of New Zealand. It's kind of curious bird. It cannot fly, have loose hair like feather, strong legs and no tail. Looks like a kiwi fruit. Okay, let's start drawing a kiwi bird. So here's some material we're going to use today. One black marker for the outline draft and two brown, the darker one and the lighter one for the kiwi bird's feather. And the red color for those cute cheek and love heart around the kiwi bird, and orange for the kiwi bird's mouth. Okay, let's start to draw the kiwi bird. We start from the head. So we draw like a half circle for the kiwi bird. We still need some gap for the mouth. Yeah, that's the perfect shape. Okay, now we draw the mouth with a curved wave line. Yeah, and we find our point here that help us to connect with the line better. Like you need to decide how long is the mouth. I put here. Yep, and then we just connect this point with straight line. Yeah, we done the mouth. Okay. We continue with the body, so we start with this point again, then draw a bigger oval line like that, half of that. Looks like a pear, isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
No, you can put your hand, hold the paper. Yep. Okay. So we talk about the kiwi bird have a strong leg, right?
Mm-hmm.
We need to add the leg like little rectangle here, not much. Okay, then we connect with the shape of the body. So we make sure it's a circle. That's perfect. Okay, continue the line and draw another leg. That's nice. Okay, we start another line from under the mouth. So it should be like that. You did a great job. Then connect with the body. Okay, we're adding the feet like it's walking. Okay, another one. Okay, so kiwi bird doesn't have a tail, right? So we don't need to draw the tail for it. Now we can draw the eyes. Find the center point of the eyes. Just drawing a circle. And we can add some highlights for the eyeballs, like that. That looks amazing. Then color in eyes. Okay, we can add some hair for the cute kiwi bird like that. Looks like a bird. Oh, that's so cute. Okay, then we can add more details like the feathers with short lines around the body. You need to make sure it's around the body shape. That's perfect. So the kiwi bird is walking, right? We can add some motion life around. Now we can add a flower for the kiwi bird. Just draw a flower. You can do the flower in your way. Doesn't have to be the same as mine. Just draw a flower. Yep, and I will add some blob hearts around the kiwi bird. You can do some stars, it's up to you. Yeah, the kiwi bird looks so happy now. Okay, now we finish the draft with the marker. Now we can start to color in. So we use the lighter green, lighter brown for the body. Use the broad side. And trace the kiwi bird's body. Try to do it in one way. It will be more smooth when you're using the color marker like that. Use 69. We can add in the cast shadow around the kiwi birds later. Yeah, that's nice. You did a great job. Trace the outline first, then we can color in the bird in the straight line. Your marker is better than mine. My one is like out of ink. Just put one more layer. Okay. But those texture looks like his feeder. The kiwi bird's feeder. Wow, that looks amazing. Okay, now we can change to the dark brown to draw the cast shadow. Looks like more 3D for the kiwi bird. We use the fin side. Just draw the cast shadow around the body. And half leg. Don't need to draw both. And a shadow under the mouth. After shadow, it looks more 3D, right?
Mm-hmm.
Looks like I'm running like a kiwi fruit with legs now. Oh my god, your kiwi bird's so cute. Okay, now we've done the body part. We use orange to color in the mouth. I've used orange to color those stars. If you don't have stars, you don't need to use that. Yeah. Okay, done. And use the red to draw a cute chick under the eyes. Wow, you can make it more looks like an oval, like extend it. Yep. And color in the lob heart and the flower. You can use the green marker for the leaf. You can use mine. Oh, you didn't draw the leaf. You can add it. Okay. Now we use the highlight pen to draw more details of the kiwi bird's body. We need to follow the shape of the kiwi bird and adding highlight. Need to trace the outline first and draw more short line of it. Highlight pen is very useful for adding details on dark color. I'm adding a lot of feather for the kiwi bird. Wow, that looks so good. Fabulous. And one more thing I need to remind you, Alina, you can make sure the kiwi bird in the paper center for the next time. Like if you got too much space around here, but you can also add the other stuff if you have space. Like you can adding the glass, or you can adding a land. We can do it now. You can pick a green color. We have more space. We can draw some grass around. Just make sure your paper won't be too empty. Yep. Yeah, well done. We can add one more here. Got much space here. Yeah, that's nice. Well done, Alina. You did amazing work today. So this is our final result of the kiwi bird. How do you feel about that?
I really like this drawing today because of the easy structure and the simple decorations.
That's good. How about we draw a realistic sketch kiwi birds next time?
No.
Okay, it's your challenge, Alina. So that's all about today. Thank you for watching our tutorial. If you have any question or anything you would like us to draw next time, please comment below.
Please smash the like button and subscribe to our channel.
See you next time. Bye.
Bye.